If you're looking for custom drapes, you probably want designs that are beautiful and unique. You know, something your friends and neighbors don't have. And if you've tried to find something different at retail outlets, you've probably been disappointed. That's where we come in. Welcome to Galaxy Design. We're the company known for unique drapery designs and exquisite drapery hardware. We have happy clients all over the world because of our high-quality, one-of-a-kind window treatments and drapery hardware. Let us show you how we create it. Next, we head over to our drapery workroom, where we have been creating drapes for over 36 years. We carefully measure, cut, sew, iron, and knit. We take great pride in our work. All corners are hand sewn, and we hand fold and package each order individually, so when you receive your drapes, they are crisp, fresh, and ready to hang. So when you open your box, know that we sealed it with our personal guarantee of your happiness. If you're ready to enhance the enjoyment of your custom home, visit www.galaxy-design.com today. Thanks for watching.